Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram is very, very girly. I'm dressed like a boy right now, but it's fine. So today we will be doing an unboxing of a Dell laptop, 2-in-1 Dell laptop that my family just bought for the fam. I wanted to open it up for you guys. It's huge. It's in a really big box. It's the Dell Inspiron 17. It's the 7000 series, the 2-in-1, and we got in the color gray. And warning, whenever I do a techie video, I just want to say I'm not good at tech at all. By any means. I'm not good with tech vocabulary. I am your average Joe that will comment on average Joe knowledge things. I will comment on things applicable to the average person noticing things versus someone that knows a lot about gigabytes and other stuff. If that upsets you, feel free to leave. But if you want to giggle, stay tuned. So here's some information on the laptop. It has touch display with webcam, 17.3 inches. It has 16 gigabytes memory, and the software is Windows 10. So it includes wireless AC and Bluetooth. It has a media card reader, HDMI and USB Type-C, Waves Max audio, and has a backlit keyboard. So it has a lot of goodies in it, so let's open her up. So it's the Inspiron 7000. It's literally huge. Okay, let's open this up. I do not remember the price. So my dad got it from Best Buy. The price will be here. Ahaha. Peeling tape works. The more you know. Okay. Okay, so here is how it comes. So there is a side that comes with a wire. So this is the charger. And this is the other part of that charger. So yeah, these connect. That's all that was in that section. Oof. Okay, and it gives you a quick start guide how to use this laptop. I'm reading the Spanish side. You could create a recovery drive on this. So the cool thing about this laptop is that it's a laptop and then it goes into a tablet. This is exactly. So it has an HDMI port, a USB port, headset port, has a touchpad, USB 2.0 port, and speakers. So it also came with the warranty thing. Okay, so this is it. It is in such packaging. Wow. The cache memory on this laptop is 3 megabytes. Memory speed is 2133 megahertz. And the memory and max supported size is 16 gigabytes. It has LCD backlight technology, and the resolution is 1920 by 1080. And so with the sound, it has a stereo speaker and it has 2 microphones. And the type of laptop it is, it's the notebook type, the 2-in-1. And it's like 6 pounds heavy, and it's pretty big. It's a lot. So this is it. This is the Dell laptop. And it's the Inspiron, it says that on the bottom. This is how it's clipped, like this. So these are little pads to make sure that it doesn't like touch directly on tabletops. So yeah, these are the ports on the side. And here's the other side. And USB port, and yeah, let's open her up. I also really like the metallic finish here. It is really nice. Whoa, this screen is huge. Whoa. This screen is huge. This is my hand. This is big in comparison to the screen. There's two cameras up here. It is touch display. Screen is 17.3-inch display. And this is the keyboard. Yeah, the keyboard isn't centered, which I don't know how I feel about that. But also, like, I guess it doesn't matter that much, but it's not centered. Like this, it's more towards the left. And it goes down like this. So this is the keyboard in the back, and this is the tablet now. And if you put this down, now it like holds up like a screen, which is really, really cool. Because it's like if you're watching a movie or something, it's like this. That's really cool. That's really cool for watching movies, honestly. Like, and if you just want it to be a tablet, you could always make it all the way back. And if you want your normal laptop, here you go. It's definitely, it feels really good. It's not as heavy as you would think it would be. It's really not that bad. It's definitely a great like stay-at-home laptop. Or, you know what, it actually wouldn't be that bad carrying it around and traveling with it, as long as you just like have a really big bag. But this is really, really cool. The screen looks great and it feels really good. It feels really sturdy, and I mean, this is just the unboxing, but if you guys want me to do a review, I'll totally do it. Me and my family are gonna use this for like a couple weeks and stuff, and if you guys want, I could totally do a review. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, she's looking good. She's definitely gonna be useful. Also, the color gray is really nice. It's really light. And yeah, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and all that jazz. Alright guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. So today's video is a little bit different than usual. Today we'll be showing you how to get started on YouTube, like what equipment you need in terms of lighting, camera, and obviously in the cheapest way you could get it, because a sis is always looking for a deal. And just like little things you wouldn't think you would need. I have some like convenience-y tips and just a little startup kit basically. I've been on YouTube for like a year or a year and a half, still working on it. I started it a while ago, but I definitely wasn't as consistent as I should have been and didn't like put all of my soul into it. Have learned a lot from when I started, so yeah, let's get into this video. Before we get into this video on all of the technical things you need to start a YouTube channel, I have another really cool techie thing to show y'all that I'm honestly super excited about. Also, this is a men's Calvin Klein shirt I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna try to pull it off as a girl's thing. I had this company called Studio reach out to me. They are a company that makes really aesthetically branded headphones. And they also have Bluetooth headphones. They are poppin', which I was so excited to try out, honestly. And sis, when we edit videos for YouTube, we obviously need headphones, and the fact that they're Bluetooth, like, I'm so excited. I have like big headphones too, and all different types of varieties of headphones, but I was really excited to try out the Bluetooth headphones because they're cheaper than AirPods. So sis, sign me up. They sent me these cool boys, and they have rose gold in them. So they are true wireless earphones. They have 3.5 hours playtime, charging case included. Also, I do have a coupon code for you guys. My coupon code is for 15% off, and it's Jennifer-Biana, so use it if you want to get yourself these, and we'll be matching besties. I got it in the style Neva, which is the Bluetooth headphones. Oh my god, hold up though. What's in here? Here are a couple little extras. So they send you a couple extras of the things to put in your ear. This is a guarantee certificate, and it has a